What's going on, beautiful party people? It's the greatest rapper in all of known existence, your boy Just Jordan here with Rap Reacts, and today we got something special. We're gonna be making our first video game. So this software, Sealy AI. Look at this cool page. Sealy, the first end-to-end multi-model AI that turns text into endless 3D game worlds and enables infinite remixing, redefining creation and play. So my understanding, video games and AI modeling, all of that takes so long, and it takes tons of coding and all of that. So here you should just be able to put in some text and create something cool. So let's check this out right now. We're gonna do this kind of on the spot, and then I guess once we type this in, our idea, and you can make the idea simple and let the AI kind of run with it, or I guess you can make it more complex. And yeah, it will flush out some kind of gameplay for you. So let's do something simple. Let's go. Make When I was growing up, there was like this stick player RPG game that I used to play online. Make a stick figure, uh, but make it super colorful and have it be a racing game in a, I don't know, in a castle. Let's see what happens. So what's As you can see here, it's thinking. Make a stick figure, but make it super colorful and have it be a racing game at a castle. So now it's going to be thinking, and I'm very excited to see what it's all gonna be. See, look, it's thinking right now. Okay, a racing game. That's an exciting project. The request mentions a few cute things. A super colorful stick figure as the character. See, it's thinking. Now thinking about a racing game actually entails. See, so now it's planning out the game. I'm very excited to see what this is. Ooh, let's see what happens, man. This is sick. All right, so we let it roll a little bit, and now you can already see it's crafting the gameplay. Um, all right, game assets. I'll generate the colorful stick figure in the castle environment, bring the visuals to, it's working on it. I'm very excited to see how this, if you know anything about game design, you know that this stuff takes days and days to make 3D models and everything. So let's see how long this takes and let's see what we're able to create. I'm excited. All right, so after it's been thinking and creating, this is what it's generated. It's a little racetrack. So, just with the WSD, you can kind of insert. What do we got here? Oh, look, we got some interesting figures here. I've tried to use this a couple of times now, and the software seems to not quite be where they want it exactly, but it's still pretty cool. It still generates. Look at these stick figures that it generated. You know what? You know, can I move these guys or something? Nope. That's okay. Look how cool these stick figures look. So it's pretty cool. It's obviously got some things it's got to work on still, but it does generate stuff. And let's even see if I can pull out. I've tried to do a couple of other things too, like this one. What's this one? You can tell that it uses a lot of. Um, Here, let's go preview this game. Let's try it out here, and you can kind of see what's going on. I see, like, it created some music. It created this character. Even right now, you can see that it's not working. See, so it created this character, created some music. You could jump around. It created this land. Like, look at this character. Yeah, the character doesn't move great or anything like that, but it still generated this all. So pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to see where this continues to go. Like, look how cool this design is from the AI. So I'm super interested to see how it continues to grow and expand because, oh, look, it even blinks. See, it's there. It's just not all there yet. So very cool, very exciting. Um, yeah, I've tried to generate a few different things from this with mixed reviews for luck. So we'll see what happens with Sealy AI. I'm excited. I'll keep checking back and in on this, and even just look how cool this character looks. You know what I'm saying? So look, it's blinking, it's moving, it's strange, but yeah, I'm very cool. So we'll continue to see. Maybe I'll keep you guys updated as this continues to play out. So actually, before we stop, the company sent me some a game they developed for me. Now I won't be playing this game, but here's some footage that they sent me of a game they designed in kind of my favor. So let's see what it's all about. Let's see. Make a rap concert game. Use Jordan as the main character. That's me. Follow the doc I sent you earlier about his character design. Okay, so they obviously you can upload things. Give him 3 ways to interact with the audience. When the audience is excited enough, I should win the game. Cool. See, so the software is pretty cool, and here's it thinking. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can. So yeah, here's it thinking. Let's kind of skip ahead. Okay, here we go. Hold up. Oh, see, G to sing, F to dance, B to break dance, audience excitement. It looks pretty cool. See, look, it's doing the chicken dance, which is strange. It's pretty cool. Interesting. Interesting for sure. Interesting design of the character. The audience got hype. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see what else they got here. So yeah, it's breakdancing and stuff. Cool. Make a horror game. The main character is Jordan, the rapper. Follow the document again for his design. So you can obviously get to a point where you upload. Make him chase by Jason from Friday the 13th. If he gets captured, it's game over. Okay, again, it does all of the thinking. We've kind of been through this. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, thinking. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, here it is. Okay, we're still kind of in the same area. There's Jason. See, now the character is moving pretty good, which is pretty cool to see. Jason's still not moving very well, but this is a pretty, and to see if you get caught, then it's game over. See, it looks cool. This is pretty impressive. This will I'm excited to see where this company goes and everything. Oh, it fell off the side of the thing there. Pretty cool though. Pretty cool. I see where they're going. I think this is gonna be cool when it still looks like they got a couple things to iron out, but all in all, it looks pretty dope. And I'm excited to see where this continues to go because it's a lot of work, even just to design a character, put a character so that it can move in a space. It's a lot of work for a video game. So this is pretty cool what they're designing over there at Sealy AI. So I'm curious to see where it continues to go. So let's stay tuned and see what's up. More love, more success to y'all.